Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a tutorial of my go-to makeup. First, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I love this primer. It keeps my makeup on for long, and it also keeps my oiliness at bay throughout the day. Then I'm going in with the NYX Brow Glue. I'm making sure that I really coat that product into my brows to make sure I get the desired shape and also to make my brows stay all day. And then I usually just use my fingers to push my brows down flatter to kind of give me that laminated look. I'm going in with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist in Dark Brunette to shape and fill my brows. This brow pencil is one of the best at the drugstore. It's really pointy, it's pigmented, and it's also waterproof. To carve out my brows, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm using Tan Deep Sand and the arch to tail, and then I use deep in the inner part of my brows just to give it more of a seamless fade once I apply my foundation and other products. To color correct, I'm going in with the NYX Fix Stick in Apricot. How do you guys say that? So I'm just using this product to neutralize any dark spots that I have, the darkness around my mouth, and the spot from my glasses. Then I'm just going in and blending that out with my finger. Am I the only one that's been loving the underpainting technique? It blends out a lot more seamlessly and it cuts down some of my time as well. So I'm going in with the Black Opal foundation stick in Carbon just to bronze up the perimeter of my face as well as my cheekbones and my nose. Look how good she blends out. Yes, don't sleep on drugstore products, okay? Then I'm going in with two of the e.l.f. Putty Blushes. The lighter shade is Bora Bora, and then I topped it off with Caribbean. As a neutral girly that's usually in the store fighting for my life with all those orange shades, I am so happy to finally have a foundation that actually matches my skin, that I don't have to mix any pigment into. Shout out to e.l.f. e.l.f. Butter.
Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire.
To conceal, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. The darker shade is Honey, I believe, and then the lighter shade is Toffee.
Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me.
While I let that dry down, I just use a little bit of my foundation to carve out the top portion of my brows just to get a cleaner, sharper look. This method of blending out my concealer has worked the best for me. First, I like to go in with a brush and just diffuse the outer portions of it. And then I'll go in with a beauty blender and blend out the inner portion of it. Now I'm just repeating that step on the other eye. To set my under eyes, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in medium deep. I slept on this powder so bad. I remember having it in my kit back in 2016 and I just never gravitated towards it. I bought it for no reason, basically, because Sasha Buttercup and Nye, all those, you know, products were like the big hype back then, but she is really good. I really like the way it blurs my under eye and it's the perfect undertone for me. For blush, I'm going in with a really light hand of the NYX Buttermelt blushes. This one is in the shade Butter with Time. These blushes are so pigmented, but I really wanted just like a subtle flush, so I really had to use a light hand. To set my cream bronzer, I'm going over it with the Juvia's Place Bronze Duo in Dark. I believe I mixed the two shades. I know sometimes I only use the top one, but I believe for this video I did mix the two. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm just going in with the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. This is the shade Mocha. I'm just taking it on a fluffy brush and dusting it wherever I didn't set with another powder product. To melt my products in, I'm going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. For my lip combo, I just started out by cleaning off any excess product that might have gotten onto my lip, just to have a clean base for the lip liner. I'm using the NYX lip liner in the shade Brown. I believe these are like $5 at the drugstore and they're so good. Then I'm just going in with the L'Oreal Hyaluron Lip Oil in Rouge in Love. This has been one of my favorite products recently. It gives me a nice healthy tint on my lips. Yes, okay. I totally forgot to apply any product to my eyes, so what I usually like to do is use the Juvia's Bronze Duo, that top shade. I just blend it into my crease, and then I also bring it down the bridge of my nose as like my nose contour as well. Then I'm just curling my lashes to prepare for mascara. I'm checking if the camera is still recording because my phone always runs out of storage. Then I'm coating my lashes with the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara in Pitch Black. I do as many coats as I want to until I get my desired look. I don't really do like 1 or 2 coats. Sometimes 1 coat is enough, sometimes I need 2. The clip is missing, but I also used a one size setting spray to just lock everything in. And this is the final look. It looks so good in person, guys. Like, I was hyping myself up. I had to. Look. I don't know how it look on camera, but it's eating in real life. Eating. Then I took a couple thumbnail shots. And this is why we need to be humble. Look how God humbled me, y'all. Exactly. Calm down. Alright, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.